Welcome to Ridgeway Views by Barratt, London, UK's most recommended house builder. And this is perched on a hilltop overlooking the rolling green fields of Totteridge Valley. That's Rossi House, off plan. We're going to check that out. But Mill Hill East. What a lovely and a stunning locality and locale with plenty of greenery on every side. So, two-bedroom apartment, fully furnished with electronics, with the extended outdoor space. Quite a size that is. That's Dotson House and that's Rossi House. We're seeing that Ridgeway views. What a beauty this is! Surrounded by abundant greenery and nature. You're living amidst nature. So Barratt's Ridgeway Views Mill Hill offers modern living with a stunning countryside setting, offering rolling views of Totteridge Valley and abundant greenery. Absolutely mesmerizing. Beauty everywhere. So you get car parking with the apartment with a one bedroom and as well as two bedroom, and that's your car parking space. So with the fob you have access to car parking. Ridgeway views, immense beauty. So we have a lovely kids play area. The kids can come here, socialize with other kids, have a ball, play, and have lots of fun in these surroundings. Ridgeway Views have got a lovely gymnasium fully equipped with all the latest equipment for the residents. Own a beautiful home and live a modern lifestyle amidst greenery. We're checking out a lovely two-bedroom apartment. We'll be mentioning the price and the square feet in the description. But as we enter, this is the actual apartment on sale, and this is a lovely and a gorgeous one. As we enter, we got a lovely and a fantastic principal main bedroom, master bedroom with the ensuite and the walk-in wardrobe. So as soon as you move in, you have plenty of space already lined up for you. But this is lock, stock and barrel. You get everything the way it is, whatever is being shown, and complemented by the ensuite bathroom with the high-end fittings and fixtures. No compromise by Barratt in providing the residents what they need and going beyond the expectations. So we've seen this, that's where we entered from. So you got access, you can only access this side by the fob that you can use. So there's a lot of privacy and security. As we enter, we've got two storerooms here. So this already comes with a washing machine, and then you got hyper optic, the fastest broadband, and the hot water boilers. So you got everything in here, so don't need to worry about it. And then storage, more storage space. There we go. And what you have here is the common bathroom, exactly the same with the rail, with the shower cubicle, with a mirror, vanity top, you name it, you have it with this apartment. Magnificent. So the residents coming in and buying this, ideal opportunity, saving time. That's the bedroom, everything the way it is. You get with the soft carpets on the flooring. But what a lovely and a mesmerizing beauty is this Mill Hill East. As soon as I stepped into the Ridgeway Views and I saw this from outside, I was mesmerized. Even the exteriors are as beautiful as the interiors. You get everything fully fitted with integrated appliances, dishwasher, hob, oven, you got a freezer, you got a fridge, you got a microwave as well. But nothing's going to be taken away from this space. Dining and the living, and so many windows to allow natural light in. And what you have is extended by a private balcony, but balcony is huge as well, isn't it? Plenty of greenery, and you will end up buying as soon as you come here. So we're at Dotson House, and Rossi is off plan at the moment. There you go, that's Rossi House. So this is Ridgeway Views, Mill Hill East by Barratt, the most recommended house builder in the UK, with Rafiq Merchant in London.